Blacksmith's hammer strikes the forge, anvil's spark burns so bright. Dragon's temple stands the night, a bastion fortress in the fight. Metal clashing, dressed in flames, echoes roar in endless game. Sweat and fire all the same, building dreams from Earth's own clay. Hammer falls strong with might, steel and iron burst in light, turning night to day so bright. In the forge we find our might. Rhythm pounding, heart's own beat, steel we shake with fervent heat. In the shadows dragons meet, guarding secrets flames they keep. Embers glow, the night does sing, tales of old in the anvil's ring. In this dark the sparks will cling, stories born of everything. Silent warriors at the helm, in this fiery molten realm. Craft our destiny overwhelm, forge our fate till night is quelled. Hammer falls strong with might, steel and iron burst in light, turning night to day so bright. In the forge we find our fight. Rhythm pounding, heart's own beat, steel we shake with fervent heat. In the shadows dragons meet, guarding secrets flames they keep. Embers glow, the night does sing, tales of old in the anvil's ring. In this dark the sparks will cling, stories born of everything. Embers glow, the night does sing, tales of old in the anvil's ring. In this dark the sparks will cling, stories born of everything. Embers glow, the night does sing, tales of old in the anvil's ring. In this dark the sparks will cling, stories born of everything, stories born of everything. Silent warriors at the helm, in this fiery molten realm. Craft our destiny overwhelm, forge our fate till night is quelled.